Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do you have a trunk lid that's leaking on you? Check right where the factory seam is, where the body line is, where it's welded together. It could be leaking right there. In this particular vehicle, you can see the factory glue that they put in between the seams is coming out. So in this video, we're going to re-silicone them. Before we get this video started, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. You just need three simple things. Some silicone. Got a small little tube here. Small little tube of silicone. Any type of glass cleaner. And some paper towels. And we're going to go ahead and do both sides of this vehicle. First thing you want to do is get the area just slightly wet. Alright. And then just rub it right in there. Then you're going to take your silicone and you're going to apply it a nice smooth bead right there on the seam. And this silicone, it comes out white but it dries clear. And we're just going to smooth it right in this seam. We're going to sit there and work it into the seam. Let's say this trunk lid, inside the trunk lid there on the carburetor, as you can see it's wet, and it's going to be real difficult for you to actually see, but it's leaking at the seam. It's coming right inside the vehicle. That's it. We got that smoothed down. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So we got it wet intentionally so it'll pack into that seam really good and tight. So it's not sticking to the rest of the metal, so we're not fighting it. Then we're going to take paper towels, wipe all that off, and repack it again, so it's good and packed into the seam itself. Alright guys, so get it packed into the seam really good there. Now we'll take them paper towels and we'll get them slightly wet, and all this will smooth right out. And then it dries clear so you'll never even know. There you go guys. Like I said, it dries perfectly clear, so once it dries you'll never even know it's there, and you'll never be able to tell, but it'll definitely look better than the factory glue that they applied there. You can see some of the factory glue that's dried up right there that they just smear on there. It looks like shit that the factory does. But, like I said, there's some right there. It's the way the factory does this bonding right there at the joint, as you can see there. But we want it to be better than the factory, and that'll definitely be better than the factory. Like I said, it'll reseal this trunk, so this trunk area right here won't be getting wet no more. Hopefully y'all find this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.